Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Bitmoji avatar style on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. Then tap on here at the top left corner to go to your profile. Then tap on your avatar. Here select change outfit. Here we can change our t-shirts, shoes, headgears and many more. After changing the outfit, you can change your facial details by tapping here. Here you can adjust your avatar's facial details. After changing them, simply tap on save to save the changes. And here we can change pose and background by tapping here. After changing them, tap on save to save. Lastly, here we can change our avatar's selfie. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.